In this video, we will discuss about air compressor. Compression of air and vapor plays very important role in engineering field. Mostly the compression of air or gas is used because it is easy to transmit air or gas as compared to vapor. So, a compressor is a mechanical device which increases the pressure of gas by reducing its volume. That means it is used to compress air or gas to high pressure exceeding. Let's see the working principle of air compressor. Basically, the compressor is an energy consuming device which require a work input. As shown in figure, a prime mover is a work input which is connected to the compressor. Generally, an electric motor is used as prime mover. As we can see this diagram, the prime mover is provide low pressure air to compressor which converted it into a high pressure air. This high pressure air is then delivered to the reservoir or a storage vessel. From the reservoir, it can be conveyed to the desired place. Let's see the application of compressed air. The use of compressed air in industrial application such as manufacture of plastics and other industrial product, pneumatic tools, air hoist, industrial cleaning by air blast, operation of small engines and other specialized industrial applications. Next, the compression process. There are three types of compression processes. First, isentropic compression, second, polytropic compression, and third one is isothermal compression. Let's see the isentropic compression. It is also called as adiabatic compression. By this compression process, maximum available energy in the gas is obtained. In IC engines, the air is compressed isentropically. Second one is polytropic compression. The compression follows the law PV to the power n equals to constant. Third one is isothermal compression. When the compressed air is stored in a tank, it loses its heat to the surrounding. After some time, it attains the temperature of surrounding. Hence, the effect of this compression process is to increase the process of gas, keeping the temperature constant. In this PV chart, we shown all the compression processes. When the air enters into a cylinder through the inlet valve, in this pressure is constant and volume increases. This process is called as induction process. After this process, the air is compressed by moving piston upward. Then pressure is increased with the curved distance AB. The distance AB follows the law PV to the power n equals to constant. This process is called as polytropic compression process. After this, the high pressure is delivered to the device through the outlet valve, which is called as delivery valve. So, this is the pressure volume chart which shown the compression process. Next one is the classification of compressor. There are two types of compressor, positive displacement compressor and second one is dynamic compressor. Dynamic compressor broken up into the two types, centrifugal compressor and axial compressor. Positive displacement compressor broken up into two types, rotary compressor and reciprocating compressor. Further classification of reciprocating compressor is the diaphragm, double acting and single acting compressor. And the further classification of rotary compressor is the lobe, screw, liquid ring, scroll, vane type compressor. So these are the classification of air compressor. Thank you for watching.